Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the banner of your YouTube channel from your mobile device. It is really quick and easy, so the first thing you want to do is open your YouTube app and then tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the option Your Channel. Now, you'll be taken to your channel where you'll have to tap on this little pencil icon which is right over here. After that, it will take you to your channel settings where right over here you can see your channel logo, but if we look at the background, that is where our channel banner is going to be. So simply tap on this camera icon right over here. After that, it will provide you two options, namely take a photo and choose from your photos. So we'll simply tap on choose from your photos and then select your channel banner. After that, you can adjust your channel banner, and now once you've adjusted it, simply tap on save, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and now wait for a few seconds, and now you'll have successfully changed your YouTube channel's banner on your mobile device. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.